Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set notifications in the Pinterest app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, then tap on notifications, and here we have notifications on Pinterest at the top, by email and by push notification. On Pinterest we can select what kind of notifications we receive. By email, let's just tap on this. We can set what kind of email notifications we receive, and by push notification we can do the same thing. Yeah, so basically here we can customize the notifications that we receive through different channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.